Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today we have a brand new Sharp LMV50. It is a 50-inch table. It is a brand new machine. It's a DBS head, so you control your RPM. As you can hear the spindle, brand new machine. With an Accurite G2 2-axis CNC unit. So which makes it a DRO as well as a CNC. I wrote a little program here. Very easy to program, conversational programming on the Accurite. So it's not like G-code or anything like that. You can upload your own through USB. It has a USB in the front as well as in the rear. Perfect for home, garage use. The NC unit does run on 110. The machine runs on 220. We are Sharp, authorized Sharp dealer, so in case you guys want any other option with the machine, maybe a auto loop unit, a power drawbar, we can definitely add it on. Just if you guys are interested in the machine, make sure you guys let us know. If you have any questions about this machine, you can give us a call at 909-919-9600 or visit us at MachineStation.us.